Brad Williams, XL Prime. How many words are in an entire list? This is just a quick overview of our previous tutorial. What we're going to do, we're just going to look at this string. We're going to sum up this string. Then we're going to remove all of the spaces. We're going to take A minus B. That will give us our sum of each sentence. One other trick is we're definitely going to have to add one. We have to add the first word. Here's what it looks like. The layout, len, trim, B5, minus len, substitute B5. Here, all we're doing is counting. We're going to clean this up beforehand. In len, all we're doing is getting the length of B5. We're getting the length of B5 after we remove all the spaces. Going down here, here's an example. Len, trim, B5 is our first argument. It's 47. That's the length of all our characters. When we remove the spaces, it's 38. 47 minus 38 is equal to 9. We need to capture that first word, so we add 1. You look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to keep it even easier, just look at this second equation. The second equation, what happens if this C-spot run is gone? What happens? Because we have this explicit 1, it's always going to show up, which could be problematic. So what you want to do is just throw in this greater than 0. So plus len trim B6 greater than 0. If that's the case, we're going to get a false there. It's going to throw a 0. In terms of summing this thing, if you want to know the sum here, well, there's two ways to do it. We can just sum this data here. Or we can take this entire equation, wrap it inside some product, and we're going to get exactly what we just got without doing all of this individual. But really, it's not that big of a deal. The anatomy, read it if you need it. And I just have a brief write-up here. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.